To effectively use Git and GitHub with Visual Studio Code, follow these steps. Firstly, ensure you're logged into your GitHub account within VS Code. This is crucial as it grants access to repositories and organizations you intend to work with. Next, navigate to the Source Control panel in VS Code. You can find this panel typically on the left sidebar represented by an icon with 3 horizontal bars. Click on Clone Repository within the Source Control panel. This action opens a drop-down menu where you should select Clone from GitHub. You will then be prompted to search for and select the repository you wish to work on. Once selected, choose a location on your local machine where you want the repository to be cloned. Once the cloning process completes, click Open to directly access the cloned repository in VS Code. This step ensures you're ready to start working with the repository's files. In the Source Control panel, you'll find several options for managing your repository. You can switch branches by clicking on the branch name and selecting another branch from the list. This allows you to work on different versions or features of your project. To create a new branch, click on the branch name and choose Create New Branch. This is useful for isolating changes and collaborating on specific tasks. Synchronize your local repository with the one on GitHub by clicking the sync icon. This action pulls in any changes made by others and pushes your local changes to GitHub. After making changes to your files, stage them by clicking the plus icon next to the files you want to include in the next commit. Write a descriptive commit message summarizing your changes, then commit them by clicking the checkmark icon. To publish your committed changes to GitHub, click the sync icon again to push them to the online repository. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your projects using Git and GitHub directly within Visual Studio Code, enhancing collaboration and version control capabilities.